So this is what my bathroom looked like before the toilet leaked. So I was very happy with it. I did have some lovely lino flooring down, which was very good quality, lasted for many years. I had no issues with it whatsoever. And then obviously the toilet leaked. So, you know, you can imagine I had to take that black lino off the bathroom flooring, and underneath was not a very pleasant green lino, which obviously had been stained, and I think that it was probably due to some very damaged water staining, because it is very dark again around the toilet area, and that is exactly where the leaks were, which is where I noticed there were like puddles of water seeping through. So I knew that all of the flooring had to come out, which was which was a very big job actually, because you never know what's under your flooring until you have major issues, and then you have to obviously take layers of flooring away, and that's when you discover what's underneath. The first layer. So this was what was underneath the black lino. These kind of marks, it's not down to dirt or anything. It's mainly adhesive, because obviously to stick the original lino down, I'd have to have put adhesive onto that. This previous lino. So this lino at the moment is very sticky. As you can see, there is all the actual silicone on the side of the bath going to the toilet, so all of that has to be removed, because I definitely have to remove this lino. It's very sticky, it's very smelly, because obviously the damp and everything and the water that's actually got trapped onto this layer of flooring, and I would never have kept this flooring anyway. Do I want to put flooring on top of it? No, because it's damaged flooring and it's very damp. So I'm going to get rid of all of the sealant, which is all on the side, and then I'm going to get rid of the lino. My fear is what is underneath this one, because I have no idea. So yeah, let's hope for the best. So as you can see, underneath was some plywood with a lot of adhesive stuck on there. And I managed to remove this part of the plywood, and I could see that they have tiled underneath again, another layer. I don't know how many layers I'm going to find. It's like peeling an onion. But yeah, so many layers. But that one ain't so bad, and I could actually live with this one for a while. Very hard to get that plywood off. It was really stuck down. So yeah, just look at the way it's been cut, this lino. I mean, everything is just like, it's almost like a jigsaw puzzle. I have to really just, first of all, the only thing I can do to get it to a decent condition is just get rid of the plywood, get rid of any nails or anything else that's sticking onto the surface of this lino, give it a good clean, and for now this would be the flooring that I'm going to put up with until I can sort things out with the bathroom.